Lamborghini Dallas proudly presents its 2016 Lamborghini Huracan LP610-4. Equipped with a 5.2-liter, 610 horsepower V10 engine, a 7-speed LDF dual-clutch transmission with all-wheel drive. This car is finished in a gorgeous Grigio Titans matte exterior and Terra Emilia full leather interior with contrast stitching. This Huracan is in excellent condition and comes well optioned, including navigation, rear camera, power adjust and heated seats, parking sensors front and rear, dynamic power steering, front lift system, 20-inch Mimas forged wheels, silver calipers, transparent engine bonnet, Alcantara headliner, and much more.